Boom. Boom. Boom.
Nunes with no fear trade with her and just able to connect.
Boom. 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 Boom.
Cyborg falls to the knees and she continues to punch her as she falls to the knees over and over in this last.
Boom. Lights out. Lights out.
And that is what happens when you don't respect the power of everybody with 4-ounce gloves. Cyborg thought she could walk right through and brawl, and she paid. Nunes landing the bigger, sharper punches earlier in the match.
Amanda Nunes sends Chris Cyborg face first to the canvas. She becomes the third simultaneous two-division UFC champion and the first
You got
woman
knocked the
to
fuck out.
simultaneously hold two